Feeling hot, hot, hot. 180 degrees hot. Boop, boop. Hey, welcome back to Saving Mamacita. We are back with another fun unboxing. So excited you could join me here today. For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. Today is going to be a box that I have previously unboxed before. Well, not the same exact box, but the box brand. And I'm super excited to do this one for you all. It was awesome last time, so I'm only assuming that it is going to be awesome this time as well. So 180 degree box, here it is. What we're gonna do first is we are going to unbox the 180 degree box, and then we will rate that box in our next segment. So stay tuned for that. And while I unbox, you guys, I want you to think about how you would rate this box. So let's get into the 180 degree box. So it comes in it came in a white mailer actually, and the box looks like this. Looks like a little present. It has stickers to seal it up here. It has 180 degrees, powerful, beautiful, fun, inspiring words around the entire box. So 180 degree box is considered a lifestyle box, but it also is a self-care box. If you have seen my previous unboxing of 180 degree, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you have not, you can check it out right up there, wherever. I have the link there for you to check out. Here's what it looks like. Ooh, look it. Can you see that? Very festive. On the top, we have a little postcard that has a quote. It says, "Don't be in a hurry to turn the page. Live and experience the current phase of your life with ease and calm. The page will anyway turn by itself. Enjoy the journey." And then we have a brochure. This theme is called Ritual of Love, February 2022. So it looks like this. And then inside, it has a list of all of the items inside the box. Look at that. When you think of the term love languages, the first thing that may come to mind is relationships. But instead, think about the ways you enjoy self-care most. Fit them in each category like on the card. That will give you ideas of how you love to take care of yourself the most. Knowing your self-love language may be helpful for self-care. After all, you'd be treating yourself in ways that are most meaningful to you. I love the idea that you can personalize your wellness and self-care. And then it gives some ideas on how to self-love. So practicing mindfulness, do a guided meditation exercise, sign up for a yoga class, enjoy the sunset, go for a drive. Different ideas here on how to self-love. Here's what it looks like. It's wrapped in tissue paper, sealed with a 180 degree sticker. Here's what it looks like. Look at all of those items. Oh my goodness. There are a lot of items in this box, you guys. The monthly rate for this box, if you simply do a month-to-month subscription, is $44.99. So looking at all of these items, I'm kind of like, this is a lot for the money here. First item is Steami, jasmine scented self-warming steam eye mask. Okay, so I like trying different masks, eye masks and such. This is a self-warming steam. It self-heats in 30 seconds. A cold winter day will have you enjoying this self-warming eye mask. Sit back and enjoy. Give your eyes the relief they deserve. This will be a ritual you will want to do all year long to relax after a long day. So I have not heard of this brand before, so I'm very, very interested in trying this one. You know your girl loves chocolate. This is a sea salt chocolate bar, dark chocolate. Savor this decadent chocolate, let it whisper on your tongue. As it melts, the taste is unlocked, echoing the delicate hand-collected sea salt from the shores of Normandy, mixing with the intrinsic flavor of black currant present in the hand-selected vintage of Carnero Superior beans from Venezuela. Can't go wrong with chocolate, not in my book. No, no, no. The next item, exfoliating bath and shower gloves. Ooh, and look at this color. It's almost like a seafoam green color. Enhance your bath experience with simplosophy exfoliating bath gloves to remove dead skin cells which cause skin to look dull and dry. Skin exfoliation unclogs the pores and reveals new radiant skin. The textured circular spun woven fabric creates rich lather which helps clean large areas of the skin. Use while enjoying a bath bomb. Wax on, wax off. Next item is a brand that I am very familiar with as I have seen this one in other subscription boxes. This is Harbor Laguna. After your relaxing bath or shower, your skin will adore Laguna Body Serum. It will deliver deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster to your sweet skin. Enjoy the exquisite aroma reminiscent of a fresh floral breeze as your skin absorbs this beautiful, non-greasy, nutrient-dense serum. I have not tried a body serum. Here's what this looks like. And it's just a little dropper. It smells interesting. Harbor Laguna Body Serum. Next up, we have Scentured Wellbeing Ritual Mini Balms. It seems to me I've seen this in another box as well. For every day while you're on the go or just chilling at home, de-stress, sleep well, focus, escape, and be happy. This travel-friendly tin contains 5 mint balms. Use individually to target a specific need or together as a personal mood and lifestyle support. Okay, let's open this up. I have definitely received this exact same product in a different box. It does come in this tin, a different variety. You've got the happy, focus, de-stress, escape, and sleep well. Speaking of bath bombs, boom, we've got a bath bomb. This is Old Whaling Seaberry and Rose Bath Bomb. Soak your day away with this handcrafted bath bomb that will leave your skin feeling moisturized and lightly scented. The soothing fizz and blissful aroma is perfect for a relaxing soak. The rose, kaolin clay in this bath bomb will gently exfoliate for a deeper cleanse. So Seaberry and rose clay. Oh, this is a big bomb. Look at that. That smells really good. Look how big that is, you guys. Drop the bomb. That smells so good. It said rose clay, so I was kind of like, is it gonna smell very rosy? That actually smells very sweet. And I love the sweet smells. We have Viola Van cupping set. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be there for yourself. Cupping will be a new skincare. Love it. Boosts collagen, reduces fine lines and wrinkles by safely and effectively pumping up the skin tissue. Improves the blood supply to the skin surface to increase its suppleness. Facial massage with cups increases collagen and elastin, shrinks pores, and softens scars. Okay, so I have heard of cupping, but I have not heard of cupping on the face. So it has a little diagram on here. This is interesting. And then inside there are the cups. Interesting. Have you guys heard of this? Have you done it before? This must be the bonus item. Comes in a little red cinch sack in a little triangle type container. It says, "You are enough." So it says, I am enough. On my good days, messy days, long days, fun days, chaotic days, peaceful days, painful days, spontaneous days, cheerful days, lazy days, vulnerable days, lonely days, victorious days, and all the days in between. I am enough. You guys see that? There it is. Very pretty. And the final item is the All You Need Is Love scarf. All you need is love. Do, 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 do. All you need is love. This is a very thick gray scarf. Look at this. It's so soft. It says, nothing says cozy than being bundled up in your new favorite chunky scarf. This All You Need is Love scarf will cocoon you with comfort as you go about all your activities all season long. This is big. Look at that. I already got a turtleneck on here, but definitely a scarf you can wrap around a couple times. Very soft, very cozy. Love that. I do. That concludes the 180-degree February box unboxing. Let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we will rate that box. So we got the All You Need Is Love scarf. We got the bath bomb, which smells amazing. I Am Enough ring. The scented essential oils. The Harbor Laguna body serum. The wax on, wax off exfoliating body bath and shower gloves. The candy bar. Face cupping collection here. And finally, the Steami jasmine scented eye mask. So all of those items, you guys, in the 180-degree February box for just $44.99. What do you all think? Put your thinking hats on, you guys. We are about to give this box a rating. You ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. When we rate the box, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being stay far away from that box, or 10, yes queen, you need to buy this freaking box. So when we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, the variety of the items in the box, the quality of the items in the box. All of those things contribute to the overall rating. And once again, it is personal opinion. There might be some items in here that you guys might absolutely love or maybe not so much. So it's all personal opinion. I want to know what you guys would rate the box down in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and I will give my rating. Hit that drum roll, please. 180-degree box, February box. You are going to get a rating of a 8. You got an 8. You got an 8. You got an 8. The one thing that I really love about the 180-degree box is the number of the items that they include in this box. They give you a nice selection, a nice variety. I love how they package the box, they present the items in the box. I love the brochure. The only thing that's missing on this brochure is the values of each item. That's the only thing that I really would have liked to see in this box, just so I can get an idea. Obviously, I know that the value is definitely more than the $44. So I know I'm getting my money's worth. All of these items definitely, I would say the majority of them I'm going to use for myself. Essential oils and maybe the cupping. It might be a couple of the items that not really sure I will use them, but the other things, yes. Hit the video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell to be notified when more of my videos come out. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the